Now this is the polarization of polar dielectric in the presence of external electric field. In the absence of electric field, what type of property is shown by polar dielectric? In the presence of weak external electric field, what type of property shown by the polar dielectric? And in the presence of stronger electric field, what type of property shown by this polar dielectric? These are the three cases we explain now. This polarization is nothing but the polarization of dielectric material is found to be directly proportional to the strength of external electric field. Because polarization depends upon strength of external electric field. If I increase strength of electric field, external electric field, the displacement of positive charges and negative charges are get separated from each other, and this displacement of positive charges and negative charges remains continue till the force exerted by external electric field on these charges balances the restoring force acting between two charges, up to which the displacement of positive and negative charge remains continue and it becomes stop, so that this molecule gets distorted. The molecule gets distorted. The up to distortion of the molecule, the displacement of positive and negative charges remains continue, and this displacement remains continue till the force exerted by external electric field on these charges, exerted by external electric field on these two charges balances the restoring force acting between two charges due to molecular field, up to which the displacement remains continue, so that this polarization depends upon the displacement of positive charge and negative charge. This is one of the factor. Second factor, it depends upon strength of external electric field, so that this polarization of the dielectric material, polarization of the dielectric is found to be directly proportional to the strength of electric field. And to remove proportionality sign, we use a constant term, that is xi e. Xi e be the symbol is used for constant term called as susceptibility of the sample or dielectric. Xi e into E. Xi of the substance. Susceptibility of the substance, susceptibility is one of the quantity. What is susceptibility of the substance? The quantity which shows the electric behavior of a substance, this quantity is called as susceptibility. The quantity which shows the electrical behavior of the dielectric substance, and this quantity is called as susceptibility. And susceptibility of a substance depends upon nature of the material of the dielectric, and the value of this xi is different for different materials of the dielectric, and for vacuum the value of susceptibility for vacuum is always 0, is equal to 0. Dielectric is the medium. Dielectric is the medium. The value of xi called as susceptibility of dielectric is different for different dielectric material, and for vacuum the susceptibility for vacuum is found to be equal to how much? 0. So this is the symbol, and experiment is found that the polarization of dielectric is found to be directly proportional to the strength of electric field, or xi is equal to E. Therefore, xi is equal to P upon E. The ratio and the SI unit of xi, that is P symbol coulomb meter, charge into length upon intensity is electric intensity is coulomb, Newton per coulomb, yes, sorry, force per unit Newton per coulomb, और इज इक्वल टू, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सी स्क्वेयर इंटू एम अपॉन एन. This is the xi. I think इसमें अरे ये तो खत्म ही हो गया. So this is the xi is equal to P upon E, that is electric dipole moment upon intensity of electric field. Define the term polarization. Polarization of the material of the dielectric is defined as the dipole moment per unit volume of the substance. The dipole moment per unit volume of the substance is called as polarization, that is P is equal to dipole moment per unit volume. Dipole moment is coulomb meter upon volume is meter cube, that is C upon m square, that is surface density of charge. Charge per unit area, that is surface density of that is polarization of the material of the dielectric is defined as the dipole moment per unit volume of the substance. Dipole moment per unit volume of the substance is called as polarization, or it is also defined as the surface density of charge. Charge per unit area, charge per unit area on the surface of the dielectric is also called as polarization. Therefore, this is the article. Now I stop here. If you have any big difficulty regarding this article, then you may ask anytime. Now next article is, थोड़ा बंद कर दो.